Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Capcut on PC or laptop. And this is quite simple. First, what you need to do is go to Google and write down Capcut download. Then do enter and then click here on the website. Then from here we click here on download for free. And then from now he will download the setup in my downloads. So right now it's here, and if I click now the setup, he will start the setup. So now we click on yes, and right now Capcut is downloading on my laptop. So for now we need to wait until it's on 100%. Alright, Capcut got downloaded, and right now if you can see we will get this little pop-up, and right now if we click here on create project, we can create a project in Capcut. So right now if you can see we have Capcut here on our screen, and this is exactly how you can download Capcut on laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, ciao!